Hello lovelies, and welcome back to my dead YouTube channel. No, but seriously, welcome back to my channel. I'm trying to get this YouTube channel revived so that I can bring you more content and more beautiful faces such as this one. So let's just jump right into it. Okay, so like I said, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm starting off the new year with trying to push more content out there and showing off my beautiful skills and talent when it comes to makeup, as well as other things as well too. So I just want to get back into just posting content, period. So that is what I'm doing, and I'm coming at you with the first video with a makeup tutorial, or should I say just a makeup look in general, because there's no tutorial in this video. I'm just going to be talking and letting you guys know where I've been and where I plan on going and things of that nature, but you guys can enjoy the makeup look while I talk. Okay, so let's start with where I have been. So I was working from home back in 2020, and at that time it was during the pandemic. I was actually growing as a makeup artist and as well as an esthetician, doing lashes and brow services as well. But after I started to grow a little bit more, I moved into Sola Salons, which is just basically like a building that has a bunch of different sub salons that you work out of and just do your services there. So I was there for quite some time. I enjoyed my time there, but I am currently back at home because I am planning on expanding my brand and doing something much bigger than Sola Salons. So yeah, I am back at home currently, but there are some great things coming along in my future when it comes to my business. So really excited for that. I have also been traveling out to LA more, so doing makeup and just makeup, actually, there's no and just doing makeup out there, trying to grow my clientele base outside of my city, and just trying to grow in general as a makeup artist. I want to do so much with my career. I don't want to just do services and just do looks on Instagram and in my city. I would love to grow. That's why I'm capturing a lot of content, as you can see. This is the behind the scenes of me capturing content for my Instagram. But yeah, I definitely want to expand. I don't want to just be a small MUA, and I'm sure a lot of MUAs have how do you spell that word? Aspirations and dreams such as mine as well. But I'm just in my own lane, trying to create my own opportunities and create my own little world when it comes to my career. So yeah, I'm just trying to grow, just trying to build. I have done so much. I've gotten a lot of different opportunities. I was able to do makeup for a singer who was featured on the James Corden show, and she was doing her debut TV appearance, and I was able to do makeup for her. That was a really great experience. I was also featured in Wonderland magazine because I was the male groomer for 21 Golden, the singer as well. And yeah, there's just so many opportunities that I'm just very grateful for. I'm currently working in RVM Salons located in Los Angeles, so I'm excited about doing makeup there and just growing my clientele there. The people there are so awesome. Rashard, who is the salon owner, is really amazing, and yeah, they're just so friendly, and the environment is great, and I'm just happy to be a part of that. So that's where I'm at currently, and yeah, that's where I'm planning on going. As far as YouTube specifically, I do want to post a lot more content. I plan on doing like little mini vlogs when it comes to me going out of town to do makeup as well, because I know there's a lot of MUAs such as myself who have dreams and aspirations of making it in a larger city, maybe outside of their own smaller town, or just in general they want to grow. They want to even do celebrity makeup, which is something I'm interested in doing. Yeah, I want to show my journey and my experiences because I have learned so much in the industry, and just taking chances, taking opportunities. And I want to share all my experiences with everybody so that everybody has a chance to learn and grow, such as myself. And yeah, sorry that you guys didn't get to see the face, by the way, because my camera cut off. That is a whole nother thing. Creating content is not the easiest, okay? Things happened. There's times where you want to rip your hair out because things like your camera cutting off will happen, but no worries. I still got to record this beautiful look and I'm in love with it. So yeah, now that I'm done rambling about myself, I guess I can get into the look. We did this really colorful cut crease. It's gorgeous. I used my lashes. That's another thing. I started a lash line called Bougie Blinks. There's an Instagram for that. You can go check it out. But yeah, I started my lash line, and that's what she's using on her lashes today. We just did this really beautiful, colorful cut crease, like I said, with a nice nude, pinky nude lip. And that is it. My fabulous model is gorgeous, okay? And I was so glad to do her makeup, and she was really a joy to work with. She was so funny. We laughed and we had a good time the whole time. But yes, so that is the completed look. Please stay tuned for more videos because they will be coming, and I just appreciate everybody for watching, and don't forget to subscribe as well. Thank you. Bye.